Welcome back to this new video tutorial. Today's topic is how to use VSTACK function in Excel. Here I will show how to use VSTACK in two types of data. These are applying VSTACK in static data and applying VSTACK in dynamic or growing data. In this Excel workbook, I have sales data in 3 different sheets for different types of products. Requirement is to combine the data in one single sheet, which is this all sales sheet. In this case, I can use the VSTACK function. First, copy and paste the column headers from any of the sheets. In this cell, press equals, type VSTACK function, open bracket. In array 1, select the sales data range of the electronic sheet. Put a comma. In array 2, select sales data of kitchenware sheet. Put a comma. In array 3, select the sales data of hardware sheet. Close bracket and press enter. You can see 3 sheets data is combined together. Change the formatting of date column. Let's see using VSTACK for dynamic data. Suppose that the data in category-wise sheets is of growing nature. It means new sales transactions gets added in the category-wise sheets. In this case, previous method of using VSTACK can't include the newly added rows. In this situation, we have to first convert the category-wise sales into table format, then provide the table name in the array parameter of VSTACK. To convert normal data range into structured table, select the data range, then press Ctrl+T in keyboard. Mark this My Table Has Headers option, then click OK. In Table Design tab, rename the table. Let me put the table name as Electronics. Press Enter to apply the name. Similarly, convert the data of other sheets to table format and rename them. Let me create a copy of this all sales sheet. Delete the previous VSTACK formula. Use new VSTACK function. In the arrays, put the table names. Close bracket and hit enter. 3 sheets data is combined in one sheet, and this is dynamic. If you add new rows in category-wise sheets, it will auto-appear in the combined sheet as well. Let me highlight the last row data given from kitchenware sheet. Add a new data in kitchenware sheet. Check in the all sales sheet. The newly added data has been automatically updated in the combined sheet. That was all about using the VSTACK function in Excel. If you want to practice this, download the workbook file from the link given in video description below. Thank you for watching.